So hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Royal Rockstar, and today I am going to discuss about an interesting thing, and I am showing you not only interesting but also very interesting thing, and this is the thing. You may understand by seeing the thumbnail, because thumbnail is everything. So let's get started. This is a stethoscope, and you know that stethoscope is icon of every physician. It is icon, and any sign or any symbol of stethoscope, that means health. So now there are many brands of stethoscope in the world, and you know that Littmann is very popular. If you go anywhere, then you will hear about Littmann. So Littmann is very popular, and this is the gold standard brand for stethoscope. So stethoscope means Littmann, and there are various models of this Littmann: Classic 3, Cardiology 4, Master Cardiology, Core Digital. So various brands are present. And this is Cardiology 4. Core Digital is the highest edition, it is the latest edition, and you may hear about the amplified sound. Did you hear? Amplified sound. So amplified sound means that you will hear about the sound which is amplified by an amplifier. So an amplifier is placed in the stethoscope. You will charge this amplifier with the help of charger, and then you will hear about this amplified sound. But I have this Cardiology 4. This is also very good, and Classic 3 is the monitoring stethoscope. So Classic 3 basically monitoring, and you will want to, so you can check blood pressure, you can measure any other parameters. So it is a monitoring stethoscope. And Cardiology 4 is diagnostic. If you want to auscultate, very detailed auscultation is important. So if you want to auscultate, then this is important. So this is important for detailed diagnostic test, not the test, not the laboratory test, but the clinical examination. I am talking about clinical examination. So if you want to hear heart sound properly, then this Littmann Cardiology 4 will help you. And this is depend on either you are a physician or not, but still I am showing my stethoscope. So let's unbox it. First of all, one warranty card is there, and this is the actual stethoscope, and one manual is also present, but I don't need this manual. So directly back to the product. So this is Littmann Cardiology 4 stethoscope. This is a chest piece. So this chest piece is double sided. One is adult side, this larger side, the larger diameter side is adult side, and another side is pediatric side. So adult side is used when you want to examine adult, and pediatric side is used when you want to examine pediatric or patient or any child. And the distance between these two sides, this distance, the adult side and pediatric side, the distance is 29 centimeter. And then you have this rubber tube, and ultimately earpiece. Now here is dual lumen is present, so it is better acoustic sensitivity you will get. And obviously this Cardiology 4 is famous for better acoustic sensitivity and better auscultation. Simply put the earpiece in your 2 ears and then you can put in anywhere you want for auscultate. So let's start action. See that 2 earpieces are available and 1 ring is there, and this ring is used when you want to convert this pediatric side into traditional bell. Now we know that one stethoscope has 2 sides in chest piece, one is diaphragm, other is bell, but it was traditional, but it is not the modern technology. Modern technology is the tunable technology. Littmann is using tunable technology. So if you press your stethoscope lightly, then you will hear low frequency sound, and if you press it firmly, firm pressure, then you will get high frequency sound. Early it was not used, and early the concept was that if you use a bell for low frequency, you will hear low frequency. If you use diaphragm, then you will get high frequency sound. But the modern technology is tunable technology, and the concept has been changed. So the bell is not required, the traditional bell is not required, but still you have an option to convert it into bell. So this is up to you, but this is pediatric diaphragm, which is very helpful, and this is adult side. All right. If you find this video interesting, so please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get all the notifications. If you do not subscribe, then you will not get any notifications. So when I will upload any video, then you will get notifications immediately. So subscribe the channel and like the video and share this video to your friends. So thank you for watching this video.